It's a devastating disease that takes an enormous made some advancements. We still haven't beaten it. 2 out of 5 people in the US will develop cancer in their lifetime through the circulatory or the lymphatic system. For instance, a female patient with breast cancer doesn't succumb to the disease simply because she has a mass on her breast. She succumbs to the disease because it spreads to the lungs, liver, lymph nodes, brain, bone, where it becomes unresectable or untreatable. Communicate with each other and coordinate their movement based on how closely packed they are in the tumor microenvironment. Get a little too tight, the signal is enhanced, causing the cancer cells to move away faster from the primary site and spread to a new site. If we block this signal using a drug cocktail that we develop, we can stop the communication between cancer cells and slow down the spread of cancer. A new signaling pathway that controls how cancer cells communicate with each other is done yet. We then decided that we wanted to block this signaling pathway and see if we could slow down the spread of cancer. This was a significant finding because currently there aren't any FDA-approved therapeutics that directly target the spread of cancer. And I am confident that with the right collaborations, we will beat this terrible disease. Thank you.
මෙවැනි අලුත් වීඩියෝ බැලීමට අපව සබස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්න. බෙල් සලකුණ ක්ලික් කර අලුත් වීඩියෝ දාපු ගමන් දැනගන්න.
iFocus.lk